and R.I.P. to a real G, you know. Mama say feel if you gun, but me can't leave it. Papa say feel if you gun, but me can't leave it.
Yes, man, viewer, subscriber, it's your boy Stola from Hear the Vice, you know how it is. Popcaan drop a tune called Traumatize, and from you hear the Tycho, and you can hear him Vice, you know, say Popcaan are hurt badly inside. But X amount of people probably think how come Popcaan drop them tune right now. But more I wanna pray this. Enough people mourn in many different ways. And right now I just Popcaan way how him fi mourn. See? But here I know viewer subscriber. Before we go down in a hit, we are gonna run the entry. So walk with me. Yes, my viewers, it's your boy Stola. We say if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share, or you can press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it, or you can catch us on the gram at DJ Stola. Say nothing more, your boy want.
Dog is a must see one sign. Come if you go trust mankind. Coulda when me brother do your dog, make your office stab him 38 time. Me no care who you are, karma go show you sign.
Popcaan make you know say yo, mama say fi left fi gun but him can't do that. Papa say fi left fi gun but him can't do that. Cause where papi make you know say yo, X amount of man probably there around him. But the only thing where him can trust are the matic in him hand. A man a say yo dog, a when boy coulda do, make you juke him up 38 times. But a man a make you know say don't watch nothing, karma will show you a sign. But viewer subscriber not even that. Because right now, this is the second tune where Papi a drop about Shagel. You see me? So you know say Papi a hurt inside. You know say him a feel certain pressure inside. You know say right now him a go through a hard kind of thing. See? And that's why you see him drop the second tune like this. Traumatize.
Why the real youths die young? You kill the man, left him daughter and son. Better off make me start by gun. I mean I lose my one.
Yo, my viewers, you see that tune here? That tune here no tune when me play for some boy more have a vibes. That tune here no tune when me a bounce in a me car and say yo, me a split. That tune here is a tune when me sit down and a beat some Henny and sit down and a hold a medic. You get me? Because here me viewers and subscriber, big woman thing. The first time me listen to that tune here, me probably listen to it about 20 times. You see me? Because me know see I know me alone, I know Papi, and many of us are go through the same kind of thing right now. That we know say we lose a family member. That really, you know, drop out, that really should not drop out. And we feel that to we heart. You see me? And that's why you see right now, Popcaan make you know say, yo, don't watch you are going, because to me, as far as how me pray, Papi make you know say, yo, if breeze blow, if a shadow move, anything, him a pray that. And that's why him a move the way he move. And that's why him not left him things. Him a make you know say, if a chill a load of gun, him a buy that. Because him not trust no boy. Because a loyalty make Shagel drop out, because him trust certain crutches where him should not trust. And that's why him a say, yo, nah, he not that.
Me family, me family, me fam. Dog, you are my family. My family, me family, me fam. Dog, my family, me family.
Family, me family, me family. And that Popcaan a ball out. You see me? But hear me now, viewers and subscribers. Me a go make a talk. See? And me now say me a go promote violence. But hear me now, me a go break it down in the country way. When a man try to make a threat against the country, the government look it as terrorist. So when a man come in your yard, come kill one of your family member, me look on that the man there as terrorist. So me say, yo, if you take out my family, me I come take you out. And a them thing them me pray. But me now say, yo, violence are violence, and it must happen. So you must know for caution on your own self.
Me from where the me see your mother, she traumatized. Tears just full me eyes. Dog, I know me still surprised. Can't believe how you them victimize. All kind of fake news advertise. Some a say me set you up on a sacrifice.
Subscriber, that part of the song you always lick me up. Because you see what Popcorn a talk about him running her mother other day and she still traumatized. Viewer subscriber like me say me a family member where drop out, where hurt me up to this day. Right now in my heart me feel it. And the part you always get me in the song. You see me? Because you ever have family member or have a brethren where drop out and you running at them mother and them talk how much them miss them. Them thing they break your heart. But we send our condolences out to Shagel family. You see me? Papi, we say R.I.P. to Shagel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. We not say nothing more. It's your boy Stola One.